Hi, I'm Sundeep Dugar, President, CEO, and founder of Aayam Therapeutics, based in California. This is my first time at Pharma Synergy, and it's a very exciting and eventful conference. We are developing a specific technology that allows for repurposing drugs, addressing the major problem in terms of commercialization of these repurposed drugs through our technology by creating NCEs and yet allowing for them to be developed by a quasi-505(b)(2) pathway. We have done a significant amount of work in this area, including clinical development in the US and in the UK through our collaborators and partners. The technology can be significant in fundamentally affecting the paradigm under which current drugs are developed, requiring over 13 years and over $2 billion, and shortening the time frame to 5 to 6 years and perhaps a development cost of less than $50 million. This can have a significant impact both for patients and for investors, and one can definitely do well by doing good. Today was the first day of the conference, and we had a very nice discussion about the generics, how the world of generic is evolving, and how it needs to have a plan for the future, considering that many new drugs are becoming generics in the future, and also there is a market demand and the evolution of the emerging countries as significant areas for patient needs to be met. And I think that the organization of the symposium or the conference very well addresses the ideas of how generic companies and other value-adding companies in the generic field can advance therapeutics. This is my first time at a generic drug pharmaceutical conference, and I think these conferences are very relevant to other key players in pharmaceutical industry as the whole industry needs to transition where the generic drug makers are able to step up the value chain without taking the inherent risks associated with full pharmaceutical development that the big pharma is associated with. And I think that uptick in value creation can play a significant role in addressing all the major unmet medical needs that are now recognized around the world.